rabbit play hopscotch? Good morning, Meenu. Good morning, Chinu. What are you both doing?
Good morning, Buzz. We are playing.
You are playing? I thought you were jumping. And that too on one leg. Why are you jumping on one leg?
Buzz, don't disturb me now.
Buzz, don't disturb Chinu. Come here, I will tell you. We are playing a game. This game is called hopscotch.
Hopscotch? Chinu, I know the name of this game now. Hopscotch, hopscotch, hopscotch.
Chinu, you are out. You are out. See, you stepped on the line.
Oh, who is that?
Good morning, everybody. I am Rabbit. Good morning, Rabbit. How did you know that Chinu was out? Do you know how to play hopscotch? Oh, yes, Meenu. I can play hopscotch very well. You see, I can hop and jump very well.
I know, Rabbit. You can hop and jump very well. I was also jumping well. I got out because of Buzz. He was shouting near my ear. That's why I got out.
I am sorry, Chinu. I did not know that you could get out. How did you get out? Why are these numbers written here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Please teach me this game.
Okay, Buzz. Just watch me carefully now. First, I will throw the marker on this first box. See, it is marked 1 in this box.
Wait, Meenu. A marker? But this is a thin stone.
Oh, Buzz. We use the stone as a marker. See, Meenu has thrown the marker in the first box. The marker should fall inside the box. If the marker touches the line when it falls, then Meenu is out.
Oh, when you throw the marker, it should fall inside the box. It should not touch the line. Meenu's marker has fallen inside the box without touching the line. So, she is not out.
Yes, Meenu is not out. Now, she has to jump over the first box and go to the next box. But she has to jump with only one leg.
Oh, Meenu cannot jump into the box that has the marker.
That's right, Buzz. I cannot jump into box number 1. I have to jump over it. I have to keep jumping till I reach the end. I can jump only on one leg, but where there are 2 numbers written in 2 boxes next to each other, I can put both my feet down, like 4 and 5 and 7 and 8.
Oh, so you can put both your feet down in 4 and 5 and 7 and 8? Meenu, can you jump and show me, please?
Oh, Meenu, can I jump and play this game, please? You see, I can hop and jump very well. Buzz can watch me jump and learn the game. Okay, Rabbit, you can also join the game. Start jumping now.
Hey, Buzz, keep watching Rabbit's feet carefully. If it touches any line, then Rabbit is out.
Look, I have reached the end. Now I have to turn and come back, just like the way I went.
But now Rabbit has to bend down and pick up the marker also.
Oh, the game has finished. Rabbit, did you win it?
Buzz, the game is not over. Now Rabbit has to throw the marker in box number 2. Again, Rabbit has to hop the same way.
Oh, now I know. Rabbit has to jump over box number 2. It cannot step on it.
That's right, Buzz. You have learned the game fast.
Hey, look there. Sheila, Sahil, Raju, Jeetu and Salma are coming. Hello, everybody. Where are you going?
Hello, Meenu. Hello, Chinu. We were all coming to play with you. Oh, then all of you can play hopscotch. Meenu plays the game very well. Rabbit also knows how to play this game.
Oh, no, Buzz. I don't like hopscotch. Chinu, there are many of us now. Let us play 7 stones. Oh, let's play 7 stones. That'll be lots of fun. Let's collect some stones. Raja, Buzz, you can also help in collecting stones.
Meenu, look, I've got a nice round stone.
Oh no, Buzz. We cannot use round stones. We have to put one stone on top of another. We have to stack 7 such stones. So if it is a round stone, it will just fall.
Rabbit, do you know this game also?
Yes, Buzz. I know many games. I keep watching children play different games.
You are really smart, Rabbit. You know so many games. What did you say? You put one stone on top of another?
Buzz, look, like this. Count the stones now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. What will you do with these stones now?
Now I will take 20 steps with my feet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then I will draw a line here.
Sheila, what is this ball for? We have to hit the stones with this ball. But first, we have to make teams.
Sheila, Raju, Rabbit, and I will be in one team. Chinu, Jeetu, Sahil, and Salma can be in the other team.
Oh, so you make teams for this game? How do you play then?
Just watch us carefully. Meenu, we will hit the stones first. Buzz, my team has to stand in this line and hit the stones with the ball. When the stones fall down, we have to run and try to rearrange the stones.
Oh, that's it? Just rearrange the stones? So easy.
Oh, not so easy, Buzz. Our team will try to get Chinu's team out before they can arrange all the stones. We will take the ball and try to hit them with the ball. When the ball hits a person, he is out.
Oh, this is so much fun. So, Chinu, are you going to hit the stones now?
Chinu, can I try first? Okay, Sahil. Here, take the ball.
Oh, Sahil, you did not hit the stones. Is your team out, Chinu?
No, Buzz. You always want our team to get out. We are not out. Each of us will get a chance to hit the stones. If any of us hits the stones, we can start playing. Salma, do you want to try? Run, everybody! Run! Run!
Look, I have the ball. Meenu, take this. Hit Jeetu. Jeetu, you are out.
Meenu, look, Chinu is arranging the stones. He has arranged 4 stones already.
Just keep quiet, Buzz. Meenu's tail. Look, all the 7 stones are arranged. We have won.
Okay, Chinu. Now it's our team's turn to hit the stones.
Look at this drop of water on my nose. Oh, it has started to rain. I am going to fly back to the house.
Come, let's all run inside. Hello, Grandma. What are you playing?
Hello, Rabbit. Hello, everyone. I cannot hop and play hopscotch like you. So, I'm playing an indoor game. We play this game with some seeds or shells. Today, we are playing with tamarind seeds.
How do you play this game, Grandma?
First, we spread lots of tamarind seeds on the ground. Then, I will throw up a tamarind seed like this. And before it comes down, I will collect as many tamarind seeds from the ground as I can. Then I have to catch the tamarind seed also. If I drop any tamarind seed, then I'm out. And if I shake any tamarind seed on the ground and don't collect it, then also I'm out.
What is Papa doing with Babulal uncle?
He's playing a game of carom. Babulal came half an hour back and they have been playing since then.
Oh, even old people play games? I thought only children play games. Grandma, how do you know how to play all these games?
I know how to play many games, Rabbit. I know many indoor games and outdoor games also.
What are indoor and outdoor games?
Indoor games are those which we play inside the house, like carom, chess, ludo, snakes and ladders, or even these seed games.
I know what outdoor games are. Tennis, cricket, football. I have seen pictures of Sachin Tendulkar playing cricket, Sania Mirza playing tennis, and many other players winning in athletics and other competitions.
Hey Rabbit, how do you know all this?
Oh, Buzz, do you know something? I can read. So I read the newspaper. I see their photos in the newspaper.
Look, it has stopped raining. Let's go out and play now. Sahil, Sheila, Meenu, do you want to play with my top or marbles? We can even fly kites.
Come, let's go out. We can even play cricket or kho-kho.
Friends, do you also like playing games? Which is your favorite game? Do you like indoor or outdoor games? Friends, you should play lots of games with your friends. You should play every day. It's lots of fun. I am going to play with Chinu and Meenu every day from now on. Will you also play games? I am going to play now.
help Buzz match the games with their names. Chess, cricket, hide and seek, seven stones, hopscotch, tennis, carom, kabaddi, hockey, marbles, skipping, snakes and ladders, chess, cricket, hide and seek, seven stones, hopscotch, tennis, carom, kabaddi, hockey, marbles, skipping, snakes and ladders. Some games are played indoors and some outdoors. Will you help Butterfly pick the correct answer? Ludo, indoor, volleyball, outdoor, chess, indoor, Cricket. Outdoor. Hide and seek. Outdoor. Seven stones. Outdoor. Hopscotch. Outdoor. Tennis. Outdoor. Carom. Indoor. Kabaddi. Outdoor. Hockey. Outdoor. Marbles. Outdoor. Snakes and ladders. Indoor. Ludo. Indoor. Volleyball. Outdoor. Chess. Indoor. Cricket. Outdoor. Hide and seek. Outdoor. Seven stones. Outdoor. Hopscotch. Outdoor. Tennis, outdoor. Carom, indoor. Kabaddi, outdoor. Hockey, outdoor. Marbles, outdoor. Snakes and ladders, indoor. Friends, you use balls to play some games. Will you help Bert know which games need a ball and which don't? Chess, not a ball game. Cricket, ball game. Hide and seek. Not a ball game. Seven stones. Ball game. Hopscotch. Not a ball game. Tennis, ball game. Carom, not a ball game. Kabaddi, not a ball game. Hockey, ball game. Marbles? Not a ball game. Skipping? Not a ball game. Snakes and ladders. Not a ball game. Chess? Not a ball game. Cricket? Ball game. Hide and seek. Not a ball game. Seven stones. Ball game. Hopscotch. Not a ball game. Tennis. Ball game. Carom. Not a ball game. Kabaddi. Not a ball game. Hockey. Ball game. Marbles. Not a ball game. Skipping. Not a ball game. Snakes and ladders. Not a ball game. Let's help Bert find out the name of the game. There are 11 players who play this game. Sachin Tendulkar is a big name. Some can bowl and some can bat. A century gets the batsman a big bat. Can you name the game? Cricket. It dances high up in the sky. It's not a bird, but still can fly. With a string you need to pull. It's so colorful and beautiful. Can you name the game? Kite flying. You throw the dice to get a number. Ladders, big and small, pull you up by many numbers. Snakes with open mouths push you down. It's fun to play this game up and down. Can you name the game? Snakes and ladders. Friends, do you play any game? Can you tell me which is your favorite game?